3,000 years ago, when kings and prophets suffered from hair loss, they turned to a remedy written in the Bible. That same remedy was preserved 900 years ago by al-Baitar in his book. And today, for the first time, the complete method is in front of you. al-Baitar recorded these ingredients. First, pure olive oil. Clean, washed olive oil. This is the base of everything. Second, cinnamon. For warmth and fragrance, it keeps the hair roots active and stimulates growth. Third, aromatic reed, a fragrant herb, still available in herbal stores today. Fourth, myrrh, a natural fragrant resin. It strengthens the hair from root to tip. Fifth, cardamom root, a cardamom-like herb, also beneficial for the nerves and muscles of the body. Sixth, fresh henna flowers. This is the most important ingredient, the one that makes this oil completely different from anything available today. Step 1. Take your olive oil and mix in a small amount of rainwater. Step 2. Add the cinnamon, aromatic reed, myrrh, and cardamom root into the oil. Cook everything together on low heat until fully blended. Strain through a clean cloth and set aside. Step 3. Now place fresh henna flowers into the strained oil. Let them soak for a full day and a full night. Then squeeze the flowers and remove them. Step 4. To make the oil even more powerful, repeat this process 2 to 3 times. Each time, use fresh henna flowers. The more times you repeat it, the stronger the oil becomes. The special quality of henna flower oil is that it makes hair stronger, thicker, and longer, and gives it a beautiful natural color and lasting fragrance. Ibn al-Baitar also recorded these additional benefits. For nerve pain and muscle weakness, massage this oil into the affected area and you will feel the difference yourself. For broken bones, mix with wax and olive oil and apply directly. For facial paralysis and nerve damage, ancient healers included this oil in their recovery ointments. For neck stiffness, regular massage with this oil loosens the muscles. For fatigue and exhaustion, massage the body with this oil to calm the nerves and restore energy. To use it, every night before bed, apply this oil to your scalp and hair roots. Massage gently for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it overnight and wash it out in the morning with a natural shampoo. Use it 2 to 3 times a week.